That's it, perfect. Look at that, lovely color. This is the proper nước mắm that you would get in Saigon. Okay. Just crush 4 cloves of garlic. Okay. Yeah, and put the skin in the bin. And to mince this, just do what I do here. How do you say this? Tap it hard down and then pull, and that should mince the garlic for you. Like so. I'm incorporating the chilies into that. So that's my sort of time with Jack, isn't it? Is this my time with you?
Yeah.
So this is what I also do. I just, once I mince that, I just sort of use the edge of the knife and hey, be careful, this is hot.
What does red and orange make?
Red and orange make green.
Yeah, I think.
Okay, so again, I'm just making for 2 people. Scoop that into there. Gonna put 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of sugar in there. Also in a different pan, put it on just sort of medium heat and caramelize this. Okay, so when you leave it on medium heat like that, you can see it start caramelizing. Just there you go, the right consistency of color that we want now. Now this part here, be very careful. Just add a cup of water in and leave that on low heat to simmer. So what that does there is going to deglaze the pan. You can see those dark patches there, that's where the sugar is. That's all going to get dissolved. Right, this is the chili, garlic and sugar we made earlier. Now with this, hot water straight in here and just stir. Okay. All right, we're going to need to add a bit more water into there. I would say all in all, we've got about 8 to 9 ounces of water there, liquid in there. Now we have this lovely color. And that's what nước mắm pha should be like, you know, not bland and clear. Okay, to this, before we add any lemon or anything, first is the sweetness, and then the saltiness, and then we're gonna add the sour right after. That way we can control it at every stage. So the sweetness is in there. For about 10 ounces, I'll do 6 tablespoons of fish sauce. We just taste it. And it has, once it have that sweet, wow, and saltiness that I want, I normally go in with about half a lemon, but don't squeeze the whole half in. Just sort of, you know, go halfway in, give it a little taste. Lovely. Need a little bit more. Yeah, so in this case, 10 ounces of nước mắm. You probably want half a lemon. So that's it, perfect. Look at that, lovely color. This is the proper nước mắm that you would get in Saigon. Okay, that's done.